We're watching them. So we've got to get red.
Hello everyone and welcome to Boss TV episode 13. Unlucky for some, not for you. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. We're not going to have an interview with a student. We're not going to have an interview with a member of staff. We're not going to have an interview with a parent. It's not going to be me. We're actually going to show you something. The world premiere of Code Red. Code Red was a film made by Boss staff in the year 2017, and this film has been screened once and about 1 million times in my office. As we lead by example at Boss, this film was made as an example to our students for the Boss Film Festival. We created this film based on inspiration from our students. It's loosely based on a true story, but of course it's not all true, with a little twist at the end. So many people have asked me to release this film for the world to enjoy. Today is your lucky day. For the first time in the history of the world, Code Red. Enjoy.
Neil is coming! Neil is coming! Good morning, Roppity Poppity House!
Good morning, Neil!
How are you? Good! Thank you, Anastasia. You're welcome. Are you ready to sing your song?
Yes!
Let's hear it!
Oh, Roppity Poppity House! Roppity Poppity House!
Do the line! Good morning! Today, I came to all your houses to find out which house is the best. Which house is the best?
Roppity Poppity, 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 Roppity Poppity. Respect! Wah! Oh!
And next, we have the presentation from Roppity Poppity House.
England is a country.
Everybody speaks English.
The capital is London.
Guys, you must sit down. I have not announced your house. Sit down. Sit down. Roppity Poppity House, you may now eat. If Roppity Poppity House make this penalty, they will win the Boss World Cup and 10 house points.
Roppity, Roppity, Poppity, Roppity, Poppity, Roppity, Poppity, Roppity, Poppity, Roppity, Poppity.
Rita, I'm glad you've come to the group leader meeting today. We're a bit worried about two of your students. They've not had their hands off each other the entire week. So we want to keep an eye on them because the last night and the disco is tonight.
Oh, which students?
I'll point them out to you at break time.
Okay, thank you.
There they are.
Oh, no!
We got the Code Red! Thanks for coming to this emergency staff meeting, staff. I think we all know what this is about.
Cheese?
No. Those two miscreants in Roppity Poppity House. You're right. The rumors are true. We've got ourselves a Code Red. Code Red! You know what it means. Disco night. we're gonna have to move into maximum overdrive security code DEFCON 3. It's never been done before. But we gotta do everything in our power to stop this Code Red. Code Red!
Code Red!
I never thought I'd see the day. The maximum security training camp. Fewer selected. Even fewer make it through to the end. All I know is, when our staff go through this, Code Reds be a thing of the past.
I just can't understand why we don't have cheese.
Okay, next on the agenda. I think after our new revisions of our security policy, that Code Reds are a thing of the past.
Agreed. We've got to get red! We've got to get red! We're watching them, but we've got to get red!
Hey, you!
Yes,
Yes,
Neil?
Neil.
Blast! I done got ya! I don't know got ya.
Oh, it's up there.
You done been caught! Drat. Drat. Blast.
I've had a kickoff. They are in fourth note.
Gotcha. Get out now! Get the heck off of each other!
We can't.
Of course you can. You can't love each other that much.
We do. We're brother and sister.
That's gross. Wait a minute. What did Mickey say in that meeting about allergies? What are your names?
Jacinta.
Jamil.
Tiffany.
Oh no.